Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Telegram SMS code problem. This method worked for me, so I wanted to share it with you. First, make sure you have WhatsApp, Telegram and Telegram X installed. Open WhatsApp and create an account using your phone number. Once that's done, open Telegram X and enter the same phone number and then tap Next. Now, you will be asked to enter your email address. Enter it and Telegram will send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, find the code and enter it. After that, Telegram should send the login code through WhatsApp. If you don't get it, wait a couple of minutes, then tap didn't get the code and Telegram will call you with the verification code. In my case, I have received the code on WhatsApp. So, I used it to finish setting up my account. Next, open the regular Telegram app and enter your phone number again. This time, the verification code should come through Telegram X or your email. Enter that code and you are all set. Once you are done, you can uninstall Telegram X and WhatsApp if you don't need them anymore. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.